Hello friends, Tanya here for Trinity Stamps, and today I'm going to show you about the modern embossed A7 stack dies. This is a stack of dies that works for 5x7 cards, and the largest of these dies is 5x7 inches. There is a beautiful embossed edging on this detailed die, and there are 17 dies in this die set. They come all attached, like these several that I've left attached, so I can show you how I peel them apart. And I simply tip one corner away from the group and peel. That is it. I don't even bother to use wire snips to trim any of the pieces left behind. Just that simple and easy. And I have taken each of these layers and die cut them for you. They are 1/4 inch difference in each one. So 1x3 here. This one is 1 1/4 by 3 1/4. Then we have 1 1/2 by 3 1/2. 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. 2 by 4 inch. 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. Excuse me, 2 1/4 by 4 1/4. Yes. 2 1/2 by 4 1/2. 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. 3 inches by 5 inches. 5 1/4 by 3 1/4. 3 1/2 by 5 1/2. 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. 4 inches by 6 inches. 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 inch. 4 1/2 by 6 1/2 inch. 4 3/4 by 6 3/4, and 5x7. Can you imagine all of the things you can do with this? And there you can see the detail of that modern embossed edging. That is a whole lot of layers. There are a whole lot of things you can do with it. You can even make some frames. You can make them with all kinds of different widths. Now, I'm going to show you a few cards that were created by me and the rest of the design team using these stack dies. These are all 5x7 cards, and you can see that there are lots of options, and we have an envelope builder die. That's in a different video. Look at all of these fun, beautiful cards with that lovely edging and this great size. I know that I prefer to make 5x7 cards, and that a lot of people really enjoy getting 5x7 cards, and that they're great for giving a card from a large group so many can sign. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now. If you are interested in any of the supplies that were used in this video, they are in a list in the description box below. And here are a couple of more videos that you might enjoy. Until next time, bye-bye.